Hey folks, I recently went to Chipotle and they had something new. It was called an Adobo ranch dressing or sauce that went with their tacos, the burritos, and it was really good. I really liked it. And I at that same time I saw a video from my buddy Sal over at Root Boy Cooks, and he made an adobo sauce using a mutual friend of ours seasoning, Tango Joe from Tango Spice. And he used the Tango Spice Southwest Sunset. And that got me thinking to make my own adobo ranch. So I contacted Tango Joe, ordered some Tango Spice, and this is what I come up with. And this is Tango Joe's website, and I'll put a link in the description box for the site where you can order some Midnight Espresso. You can order some Roma's Burning or some Southwest Sunset. Here's how I'm going to make the ranch, and then come back and I'll give it a taste and see how it turned out. I got a feeling it'll be pretty good. Okay, here I got a cup of mayo and a half cup of buttermilk. And to that, I'm going to add a quarter of a cup of sour cream. And then the star of our show, Tango Spice Southwest Sunset. That's a hard thing to say, Southwest. And this is a medium heat level. So this is a tablespoon of Southwest Sunset. And then I've got a quarter cup of minced cilantro, chopped cilantro. And I'm going to start with a half a teaspoon of cider vinegar. I can adjust that if I need to. And then a quarter of a teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm going to give this a good mix. Okay. Give it a taste, see if it needs any adjustments. So far it looks good. Okay, it's gonna need some salt for sure. So let's start adding some salt. The Southwest Sunset does not have salt. So you can adjust the salt to your liking. Okay, it does need some more vinegar. So I'm going to add another half a teaspoon, so it's going to be a full teaspoon of cider vinegar and a little bit more salt. Now the Southwest Sunset has paprika, garlic, ancho pepper, chipotle, poppy seed, and Pekin peppers, so it has a good flavor. Okay, adding that extra vinegar really does help this. Okay, that's been in the refrigerator for about an hour, and that's what it looks like. Looks pretty similar to the Chipotle. Let's give it a taste. Oh, good creamy texture. Give it a taste. Definitely need another one of those. That is really good. That is spot on. Joe, you got a really good rub here. I know this was a winner back in 2008 at the big chili, Southwest chili competition down here in Texas. And it's still a great rub. And thank you, Sal, for recommending. I haven't thought about using Tango Spice in a long time, so I'm glad I picked some up. Now I'm going to have to pick up some more. some midnight espresso. So there you have it, folks. The Tango Adobo Ranch. Go order yourself some and make some. Thanks for watching.